Welcome back. So in this bit, just so you know, we've been able to solve one part of the puzzle, which is number 2 request of the senior managers. What you see in front of you, let me make it clearer. I'm just going to come here. I'm going to put this one here. I'm just going to put what we have done. Just a recap, really. So what we have done, we've been able to do this bit. We'll be able to do this bit here, the last video. Now we're just going to count the result in this particular video. So what did we achieve in the last bit? As you can see, these are the records. In front of you, this is a snap. This is kind of a bubble shot visualization of the model, how the customers, this particular customer needs urgent attention based on our model we created. What is the model? We documented it. If you go to the activities part of E SQL, this is the model, and these are all the customers affected. But how many of these customers are there? So we need to now count it in this particular video. I'm just going to count the total numbers affected. I'm going to click on Start, then open E SQL. And what I'm just going to do with this is to wrap what we've done, the code we've done. I'm just going to wrap it. Wrap means to count what we have done in it. So in wrapping it, it's simple, really. At the top here, I'm just going to put what have I added here. I'm going to select, then count. The star there means all. Let me put it in the middle. The star there means count everything inside here. Then finally, I'm going to close it and say as T2. Could be anything you like to name it as. So with this, it should be able to give us all the records. The top 5, I'm going to remove that bit out so you don't limit the records. I'm going to, oh, I forgot the star. Let me just top 5 alone. Yep. So I'm going to run this now. Alright. ESQL is doing its bit, is counting the total number of customers within the model that I've created, within that fraud model. You can see it has gotten 1,086. Let's have a look how it looks. Okay, we're just going to close this away. Yes, we can see it clearly. It is 186 customers that are affected with the model that we created. So this wraps up right now the count of what we have done. The next bit I'm just going to do to the managers, I'm going to document this so they can have it nice and simple. Just going to put it here now. What are you seeing in front of you? What have I done? I just commented this bit out. I called it count. As you can see, it's the same criteria like before. Total spent 2,000 and above, and flights above 2. So what has it provided? What will it provide? The senior managers, you have a script. Where is the script? This is the script. You have the result. Where is the result? Underneath it here. 186 customers affected by this model. If they do want lesser, customers to be investigated into, they can always tweak the 2 to 5 to 20, and that's how simple. No need to bother yourself about formulas and the rest. Just run the script over and over 1,000, 1,000,000 times. It gives you what you want. Perfect. So that wraps up right now this part of it. What have we done? What have we been able to achieve? Let's have a look. We've been able to now perfectly achieve what you can see in front of you. I'm just going to color that out now. We've achieved number 1, which we did in the previous video. We just achieved number 2. Absolutely wonderful. Finally, in the next videos to come, I am going to try to move forward and achieve this bit here. So this is where we're moving to the next video. Stay tuned as we achieve the project aim of these senior managers that has been kind of very difficult for them to achieve in the commercial aviation sector. So the data we used, as you remember, this is the two data. One of the data we called it T1, and the next data we called it T2. This data is the customer data. This data is the transaction data. We have to join the first T1 with the T2 based on the customer ID column. And these are all, this is the project aim. We've done number 1, we've done number 2, and this is the reason why you need a system like this. All right, so this wraps up the end of this particular session. Nice and simple. I hope I have not been too fast. Do repeat the videos, watch it over and over. What you achieve with this is to be a very fantastic fraud investigating officer using E SQL to manipulate data, to dive into insights of data, and have reports to senior officers in different industries. So today we are in the aviation, commercial aviation industry, and digging into into their data and seeing how we can turn their frown to smiles. Thank you very much, and this is the end of this part of the video. Thank you.